Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to share with you a delicious recipe for my Mojo roasted chicken. Now, the Mojo roasted chicken or grilled chicken or just the marinade is sort of like a traditional Cuban dish. This is by no means traditional. This is my take on it, but it is so delicious and it's so flavorful and it's just magnificent. And you can do this in the oven like I'm going to do today because it's pouring down rain outside, or you can do this on your outdoor grill. Either way would be delicious. Let me run you through the list of ingredients you'll need for the marinade and the chicken, which is everything you'll need really. What I've got in here are some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs and some chicken drumsticks. I prefer the bone-in, skin-on for this, but you can do like a boneless, skinless thighs, or you can even do chicken breast if you want to, if you're gonna put them on the grill. You need orange, lime, lots of cilantro, fresh oregano, lots of garlic, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And that's pretty much it. It's really easy and simple, but it is phenomenal. The combination of the orange and the oregano and the lime and everything together is just absolutely insanely good. So what we're gonna work on next, now that that's in there, I'm gonna just zest and juice the lime and the orange right in here because I'm gonna have to add this to my little mini chopper. So might as well do all of that here in this one bowl, and then we'll add it all together. Beautiful. Do not throw these away because those I'm gonna chop up and I'm gonna put them right in the roasting pan later to roast alongside. All right, now you're gonna add all of this to your mini food chopper with all the, look at how much juice came out. That lime was so small, but so mighty. There was so much juice in there, I couldn't believe it. Get that all in there. Get it off my fingers. Let's put the lid on and let's puree. Gonna add some olive oil. You need about a 1/4 cup here. A good, healthy pinch of salt. This is the only time that you're using to actually salt your meat, so make sure it's well salted. And then just keep going. You can keep going until it's completely smooth and pureed, but I kind of quite like it chunky, so some of the herbs pop out. And plus, this is going to marinate for a long time, so it's going to absorb all of that amazing flavor. So just make sure that you coat the chicken in all of its marinade. And then you're going to cover this with some plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge. I'd say for about a minimum of 6 hours, but really overnight this would be wonderful. Just make sure it's all coated. I'm actually going to move this to a large resealable bag because I just want to make sure that every part of the chicken is really well covered in the marinade, and I don't like that some pieces stick up from the marinade in the bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to seal it really tightly once you add all the marinade in. And pop it into, where's my spatula? There you go. And just pop it into the fridge for a while. All right, so I just popped my chicken in a large roasting pan. Remember the orange that I juiced earlier? And I told you I was gonna cut it into quarters. What I'm gonna do now is just sort of tuck this all around, and whatever leftover marinade that was in the bag, I just threw that right in there as well, because it's all gonna bubble up and be absolutely delicious. And I've got a few cloves of garlic. I didn't even bother peeling them. Just gonna throw them in there like so. 425, 45 minutes or so. I'll show you what it looks like when it is done, and it is gonna be so good. And just be prepared for your house to smell heavenly. You know, we are coming a long way with YouTube, the internet, lots of things. How have we not come up with smell-o-vision yet? Look at this. Look at the delicious, gorgeous, I mean, I just took a piece of that off. And it smells insane in here. Insane. I'm taking a piece, I'm just doing it. Piece of my chicken in the pan. I'm sorry, I'm one of those people, you know, especially when there was nobody else for dinner. I have nobody to impress. That is the best marinade ever in the whole entire world, and it would be good on my feet. I don't know that my feet would be good, but it would be good on anything and everything. I think it does work best Absolutely, it works best with dark meat chicken, but if you're gonna do this on chicken breast, make sure that you marinate this for a really long time so that that citrus can really tenderize that white meat, and you put it on the grill and you just grill it long enough so that the juices run clear and it's juicy perfection, because it's way too good to be ruined by dry chicken. Do you know what I'm trying to say? It's phenomenal, it's easy. Serve this with some black beans, a little rice, an avocado salad, and you, my friend, are in business. It would be the best weekend like entertaining meal, or a really cozy, like a more of like spruced up cozy weeknight meal. Go to laurieinthekitchen.com, get the written recipe. I hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.